everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in, and this is a place where you can find unboxing, haul, product reviews, home decor and more. In this unboxing you are gonna see my monogram toiletry pouch from Louis Vuitton, and this is size 26. I'm very excited about it. I'm gonna tell you how I was able to get it during the Christmas time in the Louis Vuitton website, how I got it, what time I did, so you may be able to learn something for the future reference if you would like to catch one of these goodies. Also, you are going to see the insert that I got. I'm going to show you how to put it in, why I picked this insert in a specific, where I got the insert, and we are going to go from there. Okay, so this is the box. I'm going to tell you, during the 3rd week of December, I think, was a Monday around 12 o'clock, 1:30, 12 o'clock, and I keep looking at the website. Lately, the last few months I've been into this and watching a lot of videos and all that to make sure if it's something that I really want. Literally, it's one of the cheapest things that you can get in Louis Vuitton for a good price and a good size that you can use it for a lot of stuff, right? So I was looking at the online, I was looking at the website, Louis Vuitton website, and I saw it once, and 20 minutes out of stock, like right away. Another time I saw it, and I just put it say in stock with the little dot in green, and I put it in my cart, and right away it's telling me my cart that no, you have to call for availability because it's out of stock. It was the 3rd week of December on Monday. I went to the website, it was around 12:30 in the night. I look at it's in stock. I put in my cart right away, accepted with no problem, and I know that could be possible. So I was putting all my information to purchase it right there because I'm like, well, it's very hard to find it, so if it's right there, it's meant to be. So I tried to purchase it, and in the back of my head, I was so nervous because I thought I wouldn't be able to make it on time. You know that they're going to tell me, oh, out of stock before I finish the transaction. But I was able to get it. So I was able to purchase it right away. And guess what? Like literally 20 minutes later, I check out of stock. It just like that right away. So I keep checking after that to see. And yeah, not available at all until today day. But that's nothing because I have another unboxing video from Louis Vuitton, and I'm going to show you guys another SLG that I was able to get my hands on, which I can't believe it either, so stay tuned for that next video. Okay, so this is the card or the envelope with everything in there, you know, the return label, your transaction, or how to take care of the product, everything. And like we all know, at least if you place an order in the website, you won't have not the ribbon around or nothing like that. So, but the box is pretty good. And let's see the product. Here it is. I'm very excited about it. Oh. And here we got the ribbon with the little Christmas card design on you. So let's close it and go to this beauty right here. So this is it, guys. I'm very excited that I was able to put my hand on this. We're gonna open it. Here we go. It looks so pretty. It looks so pretty. I'm so excited. It's pretty big size, okay? Like pretty big size. I just love it. I got lucky. This one is Louis Vuitton Paris made in France. Right here, I hope you guys are able to see it. Because they say in the website, the reference is either made in France, Spain, or Italy, or in the USA. So I guess they letting you know already that you're probably gonna get the product that it could be made in one of those countries, right? So this one made in France, and it look great. I really love it. I like it. It like looking like right here, it looks so pretty. It's so big. And if you think about it, what you spend for this is like a little bag, literally for that price, okay? I mean, I had to make a video on my wish list for 2021, but I will love a bag from Louis Vuitton, but they so pricey right now, I can't get it. And I think this is just as close as I can get, and other little stuff, but that's it. But this one it is, and the measure is 9.8 by 7.9 and 2 inches of width from here. So it's a monogram canvas. Like you can see, it's a golden brass zip closure with a leather tab, which is right here. And you have a little leather, which I also already bought that spray, the apple something spray. I'm gonna leave you that link down below too, just in case you're interested. I bought that from Amazon to spray this leather part right here. And it's a washable lining, guess the size, which is this one right here, which that's amazing. We can see it's very spacious interior right here. Easy to storage and slide easily in like big bags. So a lot of room, a lot of space. Something that I noticed, you don't have nothing in the inside. You know, the other product, it come already stamped in the inside telling you made in Italy, made wherever. I mean, Louis Vuitton, I know it's right here, but you know, you always, at least me, I always like to have it in the inside. So this is it, guys, and I just love it. Let me know in the comments if you like this kind of unboxing videos. Yeah, I just love it. The style just so pretty. It's like, it's big. Definitely like a little clutch, little pouch. This is the largest of the Toiletry pouch in monogram, 26. I had to tell you, I wasn't able to see not even once in the website the Toiletry 15 at all, not even once. So I don't know, all this time I was checking a few times, not even once I was able to see it. So now I'm gonna show you, and this is the insert that I was able to buy in Amazon. I'm gonna leave you the link down below too, just in case you are interested in that. I picked this one because it was the one that it could arrive the faster. Very great price. The reviews are amazing, and now that I got it, the product looks pretty nice. I really want the light color beige, but it was completely sold out, so I had to go for this one because I really want to get something for this. And something else, I see others that it comes with the D-ring or with the ring down here. So I really didn't like that because I think it was too deep down. I like the one that stick out a little bit, so it's giving more space to clip the chain that I'm gonna show you right now and give it better access to the back. And it had to hold it by 2 of these screws or whatever it is, which I like that too. In the inside, let me show you. It looked like this. It had this package. have a like a Cari slide down here. I think that's the only detail that I didn't like, that it comes with like deep pockets. It's just little small tight pockets, but still you can fit things in there, and you can fit more stuff in here too and keep it more organized. So this is what I was showing you. See that it stick out more, so I feel like this will be better for the Toiletry 26 pouch. Put it right here. And this help to give the bag more, keep it like steady, keep it, you know, I'm trying to fix it there perfectly, give it the bag more structure too, like the pouch more structure, which it does. Okay, I had to, so you just had to make it tight there and make sure it's in perfect and kind of like a attached to everything very good, you know, because help it out with the shape of the bag, and this is what it looked like. I guess it had to get used to that little bit, but it's not too bad. Definitely will protect the material, definitely gonna give it the pouch structure. You already can see how nice and square it look, which is awesome. Look at this. I love it. It's just beautiful. So this is what I was telling you. Okay, stick out a little bit right here. I like that. I don't like that it's too low down there and over here. And now I'm gonna show you guys. This is the other chain that I got from Amazon. Like I said before, I'm gonna leave you the link down below so you're able to see it, to get it if you're interested. And it's this beauty down here. We had this. And I was thinking, right now, let me get close so you guys can see. Easy to clapping. Oh, I put it over this closet here. Just like that. And then I go around and I do the same with this part. It's perfect. Now I'm going to close it. Look at that. It won't do any damage at all. I'm 5'7", and this is pretty long. I think this is 16 inches long. I have to make sure, but I feel like this strap is a little bit long for me. But no, when I put it as a crossbody, it fits perfect right where I want it. Right here. I love it. It's a bag. It's just a bag. Look at how perfect, how beautiful. And I also was thinking grabbing a Louis Vuitton bandeo. You can like wrap it up around here and make it more stylish, more like, it will look fantastic. This is what it looks right here in the corner. I would prefer to keep a little bit, you can close it. Oh, perfect, won't do. Here. It just Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I don't think I'm gonna be using this too much like that, but I just love it. I just love it. I think this is a great idea that I saw. It's very popular in the internet, in YouTube, Instagram, to change or convert these pouches like that into crossbody and into little bag. That is amazing, and I love the idea. You made your money worth it because you will use it for multiple things. So this is all, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, share this video, and smile because you are beautiful. Thank you and bye.